Hello, kindergartners. This is Miss Barnett, and welcome to another lesson. Today, you are going to need your Orgo book, your math journal, a pencil, and some counters. Today's learning objective, we will be able to read, write, and represent or make numbers up to 10. A vocabulary to listen for: group, set, digit, and equal. I need you to listen for these words. But before we start that, I want us to practice our counting. We're going to go from 0 to 20 on our number line. Ready? Count with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's challenge ourselves to go backwards. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, to start our lesson, I want you to look at this picture. What do you notice about the frogs and the lily pad? Well, how many frogs do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see 5 frogs. How many lily pads do you see? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so we have the same number of frogs and the same number of lily pads. So that means that the frogs number is equal to the lily pad number. Good job. All right, I want you to look at the fish bowl. How many fish do you see in the fish bowl? This isn't a trick question. You see 0. 0. And remember, 0 means nothing. And to write a 0, we go to our left and all the way around. Good job. All right, now that we've reviewed a little bit, let's go over our numbers. All right, we have our number cards up here. I have the word 0, the digit 0, and the group of 0. The word 1, the digit 1, and the group of 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And down here, I have the number line. Okay, we have our number line going from 0 to 10. Let's count it. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And over here is a new tool for you. This is called a 10 frame. Why? Because it has 10 places on it. Let's count the places together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so we can put squares or counters in those. Your teacher may have you glue one of these in your journal. This is to help you count. So let's do a number. Let's pick the number 8. All right, I have the number 8. Let's make 8. Ready? Make it with me. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 squares. Okay. Let's practice making the number 7. I'm going to put the word 7 because that's the word 7. If I need to, I can match words. 7, 7. Ready? Let's make the number 7. Ready? Count with me. You make it at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 7 on our 10 frame. And let's try to make the number 9. And remember, if we have to, we can word match using our cards. Ready? 9. Where do you see the number 9? Oop, right there. 9. N-I-N-E. Ready? Let's make 9. Make them at home with your counters with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. All right, and the last one we're going to make, I need you to count this out for me at home also, is 10. Ready? We're making the number 10. And the way you write a 10 is a 1 and a 0, okay? Ready? Let's count 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And you can use your number line if you need help. All right, so now that we've made some numbers, you are going to need to get out your Orgo book. So go ahead and do that now. Once you get out your Orgo book, you're going to turn to page 71, and that's a 7 and a 1 together. The page looks like this. If you need to pause to find the page, please do so now. Okay, now that you have found the page, we're going to do this first one together. I'm going to show you how to do it here, and then I want you to do it on this side. So here we're going to know. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count what I see inside the box. I see the apples. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3. So I am going to write a 3 in the box. Okay, now I'm going to look inside of this box. Everybody, let's all look inside. How many apples do you see? Everyone show me with your fingers. That's right. You should have said 0. So now you are going to write a 0 here. So please write a 0. All right, you're going to continue this all the way down by counting the objects you see. I see a lot of zeros too, so make sure you're using this to help you count your number line up here. Use your pencil, pause this and complete it, and then send a picture to your teacher. Now that you've finished your work, let's think about what we've learned. Did we today, were we able to read, write, and represent numbers up to 10? We were. Yay. Give me a thumbs up if you feel good about that. Good. Okay, now in your journal or on a piece of paper or with your counters, I need you to look at these two numbers. I want you to make them, and someone at your house either take a picture of you making them or take a picture of whatever you made them on, if a piece of paper or in your journal, and send them to your teacher. Thank you so much for joining me for your lesson.